Nanobots, microscopic robots, are revolutionizing various fields, especially medicine, by performing precise cellular tasks. Constructed from molecular components, nanobots can interact with biological systems in unprecedented ways. Nanobots can be programmed for targeted drug delivery, minimizing collateral damage to healthy cells. In surgery, nanobots can navigate through the bloodstream to remove blockages and repair tissues. Equipped with sensors, nanobots can enhance diagnostics by providing real-time disease monitoring. Nanobots assist in regenerative medicine by delivering growth factors to promote tissue repair. Environmental monitoring uses nanobots to detect pollutants at low concentrations and clean contaminated sites. In manufacturing, nanobots assemble products with precision, manipulating individual molecules and atoms. Nanobots could revolutionize data storage by creating nanoscale structures for vast information storage. Blockchain enhances nanobot capabilities by providing secure data management and tamper-proof records. Smart contracts automate nanobot actions based on predefined conditions, like detecting specific biomarkers. Blockchain ensures transparent and traceable records of nanobot activities in environmental monitoring. In manufacturing, blockchain tracks the nanobot supply chain, ensuring quality standards are met. Challenges include creating energy sources and control mechanisms for nanobots at the nanoscale. Ethical considerations, such as privacy and potential misuse, must be addressed in nanobot technology. Advances in nanotechnology, materials science, and blockchain will lead to more versatile nanobots. Blockchain in healthcare offers a secure way to manage medical data, improving care coordination. Blockchain technology will enable secure sharing of medical records across different healthcare providers. Blockchain adoption in healthcare faces challenges like technological complexity and implementation costs. Companies like IBM and Patientori are integrating blockchain into healthcare, enhancing data security.